Floor Insight from InsightWorks is a comprehensive solution for barcoded time capture, time and attendance, and employee time management. The add-on for Dynamics 365 Business Central utilizes barcoded production orders to simplify data capture on the shop floor and reduce the errors associated with manual time entry. With Shop Floor Insight, you'll capture detailed time data using barcoded scanning for production orders, jobs, service orders, and maintenance. Users will obtain operational data on the shop floor or in the field, including consumption, output, scrap, and quality. You'll record non-productive and rework time for advanced reporting to help reduce inefficiencies. You will also record time and attendance based on employee shifts and automatically calculate overtime and shift differentials for integration with payroll systems. Shop Floor Insight is packed with a ton of features. Whether you're a small job shop or a large manufacturer, Shop Floor Insight is an affordable solution for any size business. To learn more, visit our website or reach out to your Microsoft Dynamics partner. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.